Hello everyone and welcome to the Sounds of Lockdown.
My name's Lenny and this is Claudia and we are going to be your hosts for this evening.
We are very excited to introduce you to three amazing performances tonight, and they are all our own LIPA students.
The pandemic has hit us all hard and the arts especially has been no exception to that. But tonight we want to celebrate some of the great things that have come out for the past 12 months as we finally come out of what we hope is our final lockdown.
I think it would be impossible to forget that it was illegal to sit on a park bench, but hey, Jeff Bezos is doing very well for himself, and it doesn't hurt that the fact people have learned how to wash their hands correctly.
Indeed, a lot has happened, but tonight we are here for the music, so sit back, relax, grab yourself a drink, and let's take a trip back to the beginning of the pandemic.
Our first incredible performer tonight is Georgia May Clarkson. She is a second-year management student and a content creator.
She's also an associate producer for the Blinking Idiot Theatre Company.
And she's a producer and manager of the Lockdown Live Lounge.
And as if she isn't doing enough, she's also done some incredible work on LIPA.
Today she'll be performing two parody songs that she wrote in the second lockdown.
And she'll be doing two beautiful covers that she thinks really sum up the last 12 months. So without further ado,
let us take you into the safe hands of Georgia.
Hi everyone, I'm Georgia and I'm going to be singing a few songs for you soon, which I can't wait for. First of all, I want to say thank you so much to the team behind this project. I think it's such a great idea and I'm so excited to be a part of it, so thank you very much for having me. I'll talk about what I'm going to be doing. So I've got a few songs that have been released during lockdown or have reminded me of lockdown with their lyrics, but also I do write parodies as well. So in my spare time during lockdown, I was writing some comedy parodies about COVID, basically to help me get through it, and I'd send them to my friends to help them get through it as well. But I'm excited for you to see them because not many people have actually seen them yet or heard them, so I'm excited to see what people think. I am a second year management student at LIPA, but I do like to sing and perform and write songs on the side as well, just as a little hobby. So the first performance I'm going to be doing is my Coronavirus the Musical. Basically, I've written parodies about COVID and lockdown, like I said before, and mashed them together, just some of them, to make Coronavirus the Musical. It's very weird, it's very cringy, but if you enjoy it, brilliant. I hope you enjoy. So in this song I'll be playing the role of COVID-19 when it introduced itself to us last year. Love you, COVID. Baby, can't you see I'm calling COVID-19? I'm not fooling, I'm dangerous, I'm warning. There's no escape from my chase. Yeah, I've escaped right out of my cage. I'm dangerous, be afraid. Temp too high, can't come down. I'm in the air and all around. Do you feel me now? With my contagiousness, I'm alright. Toxic, I'm slipping under. Taste of the poison paradise. Don't look my way, don't you know that I'm toxic? So this next song is all about the Karens and the annoying people who didn't stick to the rules right at the beginning. They thought it was a hoax and they took all the toilet roll. I'm gonna be a pain, 'cause I got nothing in my brain. That's what Karen says. I won't stay 2 meters away. Get all the low roll I can take. That's what Karen says. What's social distancing? Can't stop, won't stop partying. It's like a pandemic's not happening in this world, so everything's gonna be alright. Social distancing, no wait, 'cause quarantine's fine. far away, way, 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 way. I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. Shake it off, shake it off. So this song is all about becoming confident that we can get through this and sort of finding the positives in lockdown, if there is any. At first I was afraid, I was petrified, kept thinking I can never live without my Mackey's fries. But then I thought about how much time I've got on my hands, and I grew strong, and I learned how to get along. No, I won't go out my front door. F you COVID-19, you're not welcome anymore. I should have worn that stupid mask and not gone for a walk I didn't need. But did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd let you change my life? Oh no, I will survive. As long as I sing happy birthday twice, I know I'll stay alive. I've got Corrie on record, I'm gonna get that rosé poured and I'll survive. I will survive. Hey, what am I doing? So this next song is dedicated to all the uni students out there. We've missed one thing and I've written a song about it. Sing along if you know the words. Guess mine's not the first heartbroken. My eyes are not the first to cry. Oh, not the first to know there's just no getting over you. I know I'm just a fool, but I'm willing to sit around and wait for you. But baby, can't you see I've been saving all my money for you? 2 for £12 pictures at Spoons. But now there's nowhere to hide since you pushed my love aside. I'm out of my head. 2 for £12 pictures and Spoons. 2 for £12 pictures at Spoons. 2 for £12 pictures at Spoons. So I've got my guitar out for this next one. I'm going to be doing my Disney in Quarantine medley. I hope you enjoy. This one is called You've Got a Socially Distanced Friend in Me. You've got a friend in me, but only 2 meters away from me. When the road looks rough ahead, I'll whip my tape measure out, then clear your head of doubts. You just remember what your old pal said. You've got a friend in me, but only 2 meters away from me. You've got a friend in me, even when we're quarantined. You got troubles, well, I do too. Wanted to buy 3 loaves of bread, but was only allowed 2. We'll stick together and talk for hours on Zoom. You've got a friend in me, but only 2 meters away from me. This is called Boredom and No Sleep. My boredom's about to climb. Sick of this quarantine. We're barely even friends, but you're still in my DMs. unexpectedly. Just a massive change, huge to say the least. None of us prepared, no flour for my bread. I'm not getting any sleep. Then Boris says, just go for the bare necessities, essentials for the next few weeks. Forget about your summer plans, that's right. I mean the bare necessities for your 3-ingredient recipes, the simple bare necessities of life. Wherever you wander, wherever you roam, despite being told to stay at home, just go for the bare necessities, not your Amazon Prime luxuries. Forget about your summer plans, that's right. I mean the bare necessities. Forget your 5G tower conspiracies, the simple bare necessities, that's right. I don't know about you, but I need something to do in the meantime, whilst the fast food restaurants are closed for now. My keys, but only on nights out, please. KFC and Chicken Nando's, Burger King for life, you know. Quarter pound of cheese, large fries, gonna tell you this, I need an apple pie to make everything right. Fast food's my dream in this quarantine, I'm begging for it. I tried to do my best to do the quarantine diet, but I failed the test. Chicken wings, I gotta try 'em. Chocolate milkshake, so I can dip my fries in it. For Snapchat needs to see all my favorite treats. Been dreaming about them all week. My fast food restaurant dreams. Da 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 da. I'm loving it. So this next song I'm going to sing is Let It Be by the Beatles. Obviously, this song wasn't released during lockdown, but I did hear it on the radio this time last year, I think it was. And to me, it really described how I was feeling and how people around me were feeling at the time. You know, everyone was scared and everyone was being parted from loved ones. We had to lock down and quarantine away from people. And the lyrics really described seeing a light at the end of the tunnel, even though we're going through hard times. So I thought I'd sing it because it's quite relevant. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Ooh, let it be, let it be, oh let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. And when the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer, let it be. And though we may be parted, there is still a chance that they will see. There will be an answer, let it be. Ooh, let it be, let it be, oh let it be, let it be. There will be an answer, let it be. Though the night is cloudy, there is still a light that shines on me. Shine until tomorrow, let it be. I wake up to the sound of music, Mother Mary comes to me, whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Oh, let it be, let it be, oh let it be, let going to be singing All You're Dreaming Of by Liam Gallagher. He released this last year during lockdown, I think it was November. But as soon as I heard it, I absolutely fell in love with it. It's such an easy listening song. I would 100% recommend listening to it. I don't give it justice at all. So I hope you enjoyed. This is All You're Dreaming Of by Liam Gallagher. Paint the night sky while the morning waits under a field of stars to keep the dark at bay. Take a spotlight underneath the moon. Sometimes a miracle is all that can carry you. Oh, what are you dreaming of? Is it the kind of love that'll be there when the world is at its worst? That'll cover you in kisses unrehearsed. When you're losing ground, still tell you that you're worth all you're dreaming of. Share the pain, but come and rest their wings up on your windowsill without a song to sing. Close your eyes and disappear inside. All that is beautiful was following behind. Oh, what are you dreaming of? Is it the kind of love that'll be there when the world is at its worst? That'll cover you in kisses unrehearsed. When you're losing ground, still tell you that you're worth all you're dreaming of. All you're dreaming of. So that's my set done. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and thank you for supporting the guys behind this project as well. I think it's so important to reminisce on the lockdown, even though it's been rubbish for everyone. It's great to kind of look back and see how far we've come as well. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I can't wait to be performing live, actually in front of people soon. And I'm sure a lot of people maybe watching this or taking part in this feel exactly the same. I cannot wait. Okay, I'm going to stop talking now. Bye!
Thank you so much, Georgia. If you like her music and you want to hear more, which I'm sure we all do, please go and give her a follow.
Our next performance is from Molly Nook.
Molly is a first-year management student who loves to perform in her spare time. Tonight she'll be doing 4 fantastic covers, including
Physical by Dua Lipa and Space by Biffy Clyro, both of which were released during the pandemic.
If you haven't heard the original songs, don't you worry, because Molly does an incredible job.
But if you do know the lyrics, feel free to sing along at home because we won't be able to hear you.
Hi, my name is Molly and I'm going to be playing a few songs for the Sounds of Lockdown event. So the first song I'm going to play is Space by Biffy Clyro, and this was released in 2020. When we were young and still in, we didn't care what we were made of. Our eyes were set on a distant sun. It was shimmer and gold. Then slowly one by we carried our past and cradled the storm. We tried to conceal the scars we wore because we couldn't show. We couldn't show. There's always a space in my heart for you. And in the silence, we bit our tongues with which we tell all of our dreams and the stories we sell. But we didn't know, I get lost sometimes, with you I am found. I get lost, so follow the light to your heart. Will you wait for me? There's always a space in my heart. I'm still caught in your gravity. No matter the distance between us, our joy lives in the moments we share. Love's truest meaning lives when you're not there. Will you wait for me? There's always a space in my heart. There's always a space in my heart. There's always a space in my heart. Will you wait for me? There's always a space in my heart. I'm still caught in your gravity. No matter the distance between us, our joy lives in the moments we share. Love's truest meaning lives when you're not there. Will you wait for me? There's always a space in my heart for you. Song is Good Riddance by Green Day, and I know it wasn't released in lockdown, but we all want to say good riddance to lockdown, so I thought it was very fitting. So here's Good Riddance. Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test. next song I'm going to play is Physical by Dua Lipa, also released in 2020. Common love isn't for us. We created something phenomenal, don't you agree? Oh, don't you agree? You've got me feeling diamond rich. Nothing on this planet compares to it, don't you agree? Don't you agree? Who needs to go to sleep when I got you next to me? All night I ride with you and I know you've got my back. And I know I got you, so come on. Come on, come on. Let's get physical. Lights out and follow the noise. And baby, keep on dancing like you ain't got a choice. So come on, come on, come on. Let's get physical. Adrenaline keeps on rushing in. Love the simulation we're dreaming in. Don't you agree? Oh, don't you agree? I don't want to live another life, 'cause this one's pretty nice. Living it up. Who needs to go to sleep when I got you next to me? All night I riot with you. I know you've got my back and I know I've got you. So come on, come on, and come on. Let's get physical. Lights out and follow the noise. And baby, keep on dancing like you ain't got a choice. So come on, come on, no, come on. Let's get physical. Hold on just a little tighter. Come on, hold on. Tell me if you're ready. Come on. Oh, baby, keep on dancing. Let's get physical. Hold on just a little tighter. Come on, hold on. Tell me if you're ready. Come on. Baby, keep on dancing. Let's get physical. All night I riot with you. I know you've got my back. I know I got you. So come on. Come on. Let's get physical. Lights out and follow the noise. And baby, keep on dancing like you ain't got a choice. So come on, come on, come on. Let's get physical. Let's get physical. Let's get physical. Come on, come on. Let's get physical. So the last song I'm going to play, again, wasn't released in lockdown, but it's about mental health, and it's quite ironic because it tells you to get outside, you know, to better your mental health, and we couldn't do that, but we can now. So here's Reasons Not to Be an Idiot by Frank Turner. You're not as messed up as you think you are. Your self-absorption makes you messier. Just settle down and you would feel a whole lot better. Deep down, you're just like everybody else. She's not as pretty as she thinks she is. Just picture her after she's had kids. I bet she sits at home and listens to the Smiths. Deep down, she's just like everybody else. So why you sat at home? You're not designed to be alone. You just got used to saying no. So get up and get down and get outside. 'Cause it's a lovely sunny day. But you hide yourself away. You've only got your together. You just got used to saying no. So get up and get down and get outside. 'Cause it's a lovely sunny day, but you hide yourself away. You've only got yourself to blame. Get up and get down and get outside. Get up and get down and get outside. Get up and get down and get outside. Get up and get down and get outside.
Let's give a socially distanced and pre-recorded round of applause for Molly. Woo! And to end this incredible evening, we have a wonderful band called Bonk.
Now, Bonk are a new band which have been formed at LIPA by some incredible music students, and they have been busy writing some exciting original music that they will be performing for you tonight. Now, despite some of Bonk's members' interesting lockdown haircuts, they want you especially to know that they are in fact not a hippie commune. And something really exciting I love about this band is that if you head over to their Instagram, you can suggest one word which they will then make a song from. Most recently was a song about whales.
We all love a whale.
Yeah, the fish, not the country.
We love whales as well. No hate for whales.
Indeed. So without further ado, a big warm welcome to Bonk.
Hello, we're a band called Bonk, and we're going to be playing some songs for you today. The first one is a funky little number called Yamfuggle, and yeah, this is how it goes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
This next song is about a bicycle ride, and it's called Bike Ride. Here we go. It goes like this.
Who would have guessed?
What he said. sand.
Next to me, or 6 feet underground. Time waits for no man, I care less by the hour. Surrounds
sadly, that concludes our Sounds of Lockdown evening.
We hope you've enjoyed this socially distanced Thursday evening.
And we'd like to give one more huge thank you to all the performers that have performed tonight and the entire management team behind this incredible event.
If you want to see more from us, then give us a follow on Claudia Grace Moore
and Lenny Faye _02.
and our new production company, Kofi Productions. Go check it out, it'll be a great help.
So that's it from us tonight. Stay safe,
Stay positive.
see you again soon.
Bye.
Bye.